Hello everyone. Today I am going to uh, share a story of English which I have read from, which I have watched from the YouTube. I am new learners, so I am trying to become a fluent English speaker. So today I have watched a story from YouTube. And there was a man in the village. His village name is Solapur. He make a motichur laddu in his area. His sweets are very famous in whole village. Even child and old men also like their motichur laddu. He was His laddu was very famous in the city, so everyone want to eat their laddu, and everyone uh, buy their laddu on his stalls or carts. Uh, every time uh, people was standing in the queue, and they buy the laddu one by one. One day, uh, old man was working on the uh, old man was making motichur laddu on his stalls. So a man came and said, I want half kg laddu of motichur, so please pack the laddu and parcels for me. And then just a lady came and said, I also need one. I also need 1.5 kg laddu to me. Then the old man gave half kg laddu to the man, and he also packed 1.5 kg laddu for the ladies. When they went on their shops, so man come. He was his sons and said to his father, Mom, go to home. Dad, go home because mom has called you for lunch. So he said, how can we go at home? Because you can see many people are uh, coming on our shops, and I was late today also. So how it manage? So he said, don't worry about this. I will manage all the things. So he said, how can you manage? Even you never make a laddu and you never sell a laddu. So he said, I know how to sell the laddu and how to wet the laddu, and I also know how to prepare, because I am your sons, and a child can know of his father's work. So take go and take the lunch at home. So his father said, okay. Every was going fine until a man come to his home and knocked the doors. Then his sons came, wait, I am coming. When he unlocked the doors, so he saw his neighbor was standing on the door, and he said to to the sons, Actually, your father have injured because when he was making the laddu, a hot oil split on his body and his body hurted. So people people take him in city hospital. Uh, let's uh, go let's go in the hospital. So son said, Mom, quickly. After listening that, his wife uh, start crying, and his tear also come out, and they rushed at hospital. They saw his father condition. His hand was burned with hot oils. Doctor said he need to rest 2 months. So they were worried about how their family will run because the all responsibility are doing his father and his hand was burned. So his son said, Don't worry, Dad, about this. I will. I know how to make laddu, and Uh, I will open our shops every day. So he prepared. Next day he went to market and opened his shop. He prepared laddu delicious as compared to his father. Then a man come and said, uh, I need 30 kg laddu for the temple's worships. Take this 2000 rupees in advance and bring them at 9 o'clock in the morning. So his sons take the money and he went happily to home and said to his parents that we have to prepare 30 kg laddu for the worship. Temple's worship. So his father worried about how they will prepare. So he said, don't be worried. We will prepare. We will start preparing laddu from early, and I know we will prepare by at 9 o'clock. Then his mother and his sons start making laddu in early morning, and they prepared laddu and they delivered on the temples. And when they reached a temple, so he saw Seth and Sethani are uh, also there in the temples, and priest was taking some worships uh, object in hand, and he was trying to start worships when he reached and said, Take this laddu to Seth. When Seth took the laddu, he uh, take the laddu of one packet. So the the smell of that laddu spread everywhere, which was very good, and smell and said to uh, said to priest, uh, pre- uh, take this and use for worship of Ram. And then the worship complete, and every the lotto distributed for everyone's, and said also said give the money rest of money which he have to pay to his sons, and said take 2000 rupees from me from me as a gift. And then his son took money and went to home and said all the things to his parents. Their their family will their family would happy to see this. And then his father uh, then his father would then his father would have uh, good, and he start their working, and then his sons start their studying, and he continue study. And after completing the study, his father and his sons open a huge shop in that city. That was my story which I have watched from the YouTube. Thank you for listening me.